communication. Social media has revolutionized communication by providing a platform for instant global connectivity. It allows individuals to interact in real time, breaking down geographical barriers and enabling diverse forms of communication through text, image, videos, and live streams. Users can form communities around shared interests, fostering dialogue and building relationships. Additionally, business and organizations use social media for customer service and providing responsiveness and engagement. Additionally, business organizations use social media for customer service, improving responsiveness and engagement. It also serves as a powerful tool for raising awareness about important issues, enabling widespread conversation. Ultimately, social media enhances communication by making it faster, more interactive, and accessible to global audience.